Hello friends. Welcome to the CRACK CLAT tutorials, to the point current affairs series for CLAT and other law entrance exams. The UK began 2021 by abolishing a 5% value-added tax on women's sanitary products, often referred to as the Tampon tax, and which many activists had described as sexist. It now joins the list of countries which have already eliminated this tax, which includes India, Australia, and Canada. The measure is part of a wider UK government effort called End Period Poverty. Scotland, which is a part of the UK, made history in November 2020 by becoming the first country in the world to make period products free of cost to those who need them. Until December 31st, the UK was a part of the European Union, where period products such as sanitary napkins and tampons are classified as non-essential, and member states are required to levy a 5% tax on them. Now that the UK is out of the 27-member bloc, it is not bound by its directives, under which sanitary products had been subjected to 5 different value-added tax rates since 1973, with the lowest 5% slab being applicable since 2001.
Start your CLAT preparation with CRACK CLAT tutorials, exclusive interactive online classes for CLAT 2021. Register now at www.crackclat.com.